Up for sale, 1963 C10 short bed with the big window in the back. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 63 C10 short bed. Big window. Out of California. It was built by Orange County Hot Rods. I think it was 2 years ago, actually, or now 3 years ago, considering it's 24. 1,400 and just a little over 50 miles on the total restoration. It's got a 357 horsepower crate motor in it from Pace Performance, 700 R4 automatic transmission. Every piece of chrome, trim, glass, weather stripping, seals, tires, wheels, nuts, emblems, wood bed, all the every little piece of the interior of the suspension, all the bushings, everything has been touched and redone. It is power steering, power front disc brakes, which are Wildwood, AC, and yeah, I mean, let me just flash you the interior. I don't even know where to begin on this. Normally, of course, the front, but like, I want to show you everything. Custom bench seat, custom door panels. You get the blue in the Chevrolet down there, the new bumper, new grille. You could even see how nice the paint is in there when you look at it. The paint is show quality. If I do find a mark, I will point it out to you. It was built in California, of course. The owner who had it built is the only owner of the truck. If I didn't say new glass. You can see the brand new seal around there as well. New lights, new light bezels. I mean, every little thing on this truck. I've never had a truck in general built with everything like this. But there's your Pace Performance 350, 357 horse crate motor. Let me go that way. You got the ceramic headers on there. AVS2 carb. You see the beautiful pulley system on there, all blacked out. Upgraded power steering pump on there. You got the black Champion radiator, which is aluminum and painted black to match all the beautiful accents that you see down there. Your AC, also black. Very cool. It's turnkey, fires right up, of course. You see the Wildwood master cylinder and brake booster there. You see how beautiful the inner fender wells are on this truck. The frame on both sides. The custom hood hinges on there, which are super cool. And I did take a nice picture of it, how beautiful the paint is underneath the hood as well. Put a little bit more in there for you. In addition, well, there's your little radiator for the AC. In addition, it has dual exhaust as well as the electronic open headers if you wanted to run that. Also sounds super cool. Let me just take the time, lower the hood here. Again, I don't want anything to happen. Didn't even talk about the wheels yet. US Max, I love these wheels. I used to buy them for cars. 20 in the front. I believe 20 in the front. I know 22 in the back. Let me look here with the low profile tire. Yeah, 20's in the front. 22's in the back. Wildwood. Well, with the drilled and slotted rotors in there. It's got tubular control arms in the front, and I've never seen it before. Now, I guess you would call them the rear control arms for the pickup trucks, or the trailing arms. Those are tubular. Those are custom built. I've never seen that. Anyway, a little close up here, how nice you can see the edges are finished. The paint line here, how beautiful and pristine that is. Again, new glass, new seal that you see a little closer up now. The body is laser straight. I took some pictures. I know you see that. Finished down to the rocker is beautiful on both sides. The door fitment all the way up is pristine. This has been replaced. That's beautiful. Even the back window's been replaced, of course. New seals here. This is a flagpole, I believe. I left it in there. It looked like it was required a little too much effort to take it out. And I was like, you never know. Maybe somebody wants to drive around with the American flag in it. an actual wood bed in here. It's not wood over the steel. It's the true wood bed. Like a white oak, beautiful. Gas tank moved there, commonly seen that. These are pristine, painted beautifully. I mean, even the inside of the bed that you see, that the finish there is like the rest of the truck. And before I go ahead and open the inside, I'll come back here. New bumper in the back, new taillights in the back. Finish, beautiful all the way around. Lower it down carefully here. You got the chrome hinges here, which is just super cool. Very careful here. And I want to see if I can get in there and show you those control arms on the back. Well, here's the expensive aluminum gas tank that's in it, but you can kind of make it out when I zoom in. You see that? The tubular in the back on both sides? That's neat. Anyway. Where do I begin? I got paperwork for the car, of course. Let me show you the bench seat. Brand new. It literally looks brand new with the stitching that complements the car. Built-in cup holders. You got the seat belts in there. Whew. And I was looking at another truck just like this online. Same exact bench seat. Different coloring, but same exact style, build with the cup holders. So that must be something that people do on these trucks of this nature. Same style door panel in there. You got the mint paint all the way around. And you could tell that this was a super solid truck to begin with, because the cab corners down here are a little hard to, lay down there and show you. They're fantastic. They're mint. The rust-free, no patches under there. Even the floor for the cab as well. I do have some pictures of the work that was done as well that I found that I can, show on the ad or post, however. Beautiful finish in here, no painted over on the hinges. A little chip there, but no painted over hinges, nothing like that. Hop in here, you see this finish here. You see the VIN tag, which hasn't been moved off of the car. Zooming out here, nice steering wheel, tilt column, shifter which has been updated for the overdrive trans, switch for the exhaust. Stewart Warner gauges. Wow, he's right, 1,458 miles. Gauges look amazing. You got the vintage air there. Glove box. Dash paint is just like the truck paint. Nice in there. It's been autographed, I guess. I don't know who. Carpet is new. Floor mats are new. Visors are new. Mirrors new. You got electric wiper switch. All that's been redone. I mean, you can see with the brand new weather stripping all the way around the inside here. You got kick panel speakers behind the seats as well. I know there's one on that side too. Let me show you at least some of the paperwork I have. This was for the trans. Oops. This was for the engine. See, pace performance 350, 357. I assume the 357 is the horsepower. Orange County Hot Rods. To the gentleman. Electric. Orange County Hot Rods. And all this other stuff that I got here. So, of course, this all goes with the truck. And I might as well fire it up. She's been sitting out here for about an hour. We've been moving, so I'm preoccupied. Let me see here. Give it 2 pumps. those gauges work. And I know you noticed that, how nice the doors close. You know, I always make comments, you gotta slam these doors on these pickup trucks. They never fit right. These fit beautifully. Starting now here and resuming. Actually, I'm gonna restart the video, let it refocus. There we go. I mean, you see the finish all the way down. All the way down here on this lip. All the way down there and up. And again, all the body side trim is new. The handles are new. Mirrors new. You can see this, being how new that is. They always skimp out on these windows, the quarter windows. See a little scrape there. Maybe the bottom of the door was rubbing at one point. Get a better angle here for the seat. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. If you have any interest, let us know. I named way too many upgrades to go through and read them all again, but thank you for watching. And we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. Yep. Push them up towards you. Yeah, just you do it and it does it.
We go around.
Yeah, you don't have to hold it this time. I like how they did it. Normally you hold it to open it. This one you just flick it and it does it itself.
Steering and braking.
I know.
It's not super loud.
No, I know. I like it. Normally they're either too loud, but you get a little more hum under the cab. A lot more hum under the cab.
When they're off, it just sounds perfect.
Yeah.
Like on the highway or something, you
Yeah.
open it up.
You see the cute ladies, you'd open it up.